National President Geseng National People's Party Konrad Kongkal Sangma Pentip Bagaseng Galato Shaka Election Commission Kari Ban Pendam no Kyrteng Jong Agatha Sangma na Thup Star Campaigner Kablada Penmana na Kabentak Election na Kajila Assam Bat Nagaland. Kani kalong hadin Bagaseng Gali Kyrteng Jong Agatha Sangma Kladon Hapo Thup Nong Yalap Election ne Star Campaigner na Kabenta ka election Shigeng Dorbar Tauan Kajila Assam. Bat ke election Shiteng Samoy ha ka Koridang Constituency Hanagalan. Ka Agatha Sangma ka bat ikakam kum ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Namar kata kamlong ka badai bakan let yalap election. Menteri Rangba ula pensyai bakan ikajingja ka namar ka jingbam yes ngutho hapo ka kenhun yalap jong Geseng. Bat kedon ka miscommunication. Ani ka jingbam yes ngutho ha kapor bay penbet yakani. NPP Kalasiam Senjam ban penbet Mardor daga batok ke Election Commission kariban Pak Weng no Kyrteng jongka. Wala kila Pak Weng Kyrteng jongka Agatha Sangma dari ke NPP ke dan kumalai pungut kiwei pat ki star campaigner. Ki bakan tobru ya Konrad Kongkal Sangma nata ubak Preston Tunsong ubak Senyau Balangdhar James PK Sangma i Dr. Amprin Lengdo ke Dr. Mehtap Chandi E Sangma bat kiwei kinongilam na Manipur Arunachal bat Nagaland.
We have already written to the Election Commission to delete her name. And just to share with you, she had already shared with me in the beginning that she will not be campaigning as it is not proper for her to campaign. But due to some kind of shortcomings and the party campaign team not being communicated that part, they ended up putting her name because she is a senior leader of the party and therefore they felt it appropriate. So they did the right thing, but this message did not reach them at the right moment. But to take corrective measures, we have already communicated to Election Commission that they should remove her name from the list of main campaigners. We are a party, of course, that has always aspired to expand our base in different parts of the Northeast. Assam, we have not expanded in the past. We felt that there were certain constituencies where we were in touch with some of the leaders for a long time and they had shown interest. And based on that, we took the decision to field a few candidates. Let us hope we don't look at political journey from just one election point of view. For us, it's a process, it's a commitment that we're making, and we are starting a commitment towards the state of Assam. We will continue to move forward, and we hope that we will be able to open an account in this election in Assam.